Hi, I'm Craig from CFE. I'm the head of the swine production department here at CFE.
I'm Christy Knudsen and I run the fertilizer plant in Alvord. And today we're going to do our quarterly showcase of a product. And today we're going to talk about Waste Remedy. Waste Remedy is a pit additive that we have recently started working with. Previously, we had worked with Waste Away, and this product has the similar um,
Bugs.
bugs in it as what that does, but it also has a added um, one added strain that is the helps with the smell. It came from a commercial industrial type of waste product. Some of the benefits that we see with using a pit additive is the fact of having a reduction in number of flies, having less crusting, and also keeping your solids in suspension in your pit.
By having less crusting, you're also going to have less mice, which can be a problem out there in the hog barn. So we're really excited about this new advanced air waste remedy product. Okay, now we're going to talk a little bit, how do we use waste remedy in the pit and what are the amounts that we use. So in the fall, after they pump your pit, we're going to go in there on a 1,200 head room. We're going to use 1 2.5 gallon jug to get it spiked up and to get our bacteria off and really rolling good. And then about 2 months later, which would then be January, we're going to come in with half a jug. And then in March, we'll do another half jug. So basically, you start out with 2.5 gallons right after you pump the pit empty, get the bugs up and spiked. So that's why we're using 2.5 gallons. And then we go down to half a gallon every other month. And that's basically what you do all the way through until you pump again, which would be the following November, let's say. So it's a grand total of how many gallons, Christy, per
Should you
1,200 head room?
You should use 7.5 gallons total on a 1,200
1,200.
head room.
And so that'd be 15 on a 2,400 head barn.
Yep,
And the price of that is actually only what?
1,040.
$1,040. So I think you're getting really good value. It's going to be hard to find a product this good at this cheap of a price. So we're really excited about this. And with the advanced air quality in there, we're going to drop down our ammonia level. And guys that are already using are pretty excited about it already, right?
We've had a couple people started using it and have made comments about the noticeable difference of even just pulling up to the barn and noticing the lower ammonia levels coming off the barn and things like that. We've also had some noticeable differences of putting it in and people that have pumped this spring now and saying that they'll be able to tell just their reduction in solids that are in the pit. So they have getting more of the solids up in suspension and just very happy with the results that they have been seeing.
Yeah. So yeah, we work with Michael Bryan is actually who this product comes through. Over from Central Iowa there. And so he's very handy. If we've got any questions, we can always reach out to him. We have various different pit levels build up out there. So sometimes we've got to use a little extra to get started if we have extra crust. But once the maintenance level is rolling and we're looking good, then we're going to go down to, like I said, 15 gallons a year, which is about $1,040, which is very cost effective out there in the pit additive world. So
If you have not added a pit treatment to your pit already this fall, since pumping last fall, it is okay to start something, just say now April 1, add 2.5 gallons, and then do another 2.5 gallon in June, and then you could do another 2.5 gallons in August, or if you're not going to pump until November, you could split that last application. Just we want to make sure when we do the first application that you get that better spike in there. So make sure you do 2.5 gallons on a 1,200 head site. If you have any more questions about Waste Remedy, you can reach out to me on my cell phone, or you can give a call to the Alvord office at 712-473-2210.
we want to just thank you for taking the time out of your busy days to watch this video. And thank you for working with us at CFE.